Do you find it difficult to choose among all the CPU cooling options? In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 CPU coolers currently on the market. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's begin. Corsair Hydro Series H60AIO Liquid CPU Cooler. Featuring precise PWM control, this CPU cooler is fantastic. With a 120mm Corsair SP Series PWM fan, the speed can be dynamically adjusted from 600 RPM to 1700 RPM, making it simple to reduce noise or increase airflow. The 120mm high-density radiator in this cooler is its distinguishing feature. This CPU cooler's 120mm high-density compact radiator allows for significantly reduced CPU temperatures. LED lights illuminate the pump head of this fantastic CPU cooler. The pump's head is illuminated by a white LED, making it a stylish addition to any setup. The airflow from the fan is measured at 57.2 cubic feet per minute, CFM. Additionally, the decibel reading is 28.3. This CPU cooler has an aluminum radiator with a thermally optimized cold plate and a low-noise pump design for better, quieter cooling. With the included modular tool and mounting bracket, all modern AM4, LGA 1151, and LGA 2066 socket CPUs can be installed in no time. Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO V2 CPU Air Cooler. Cooler Master's famous Hyper 212 EVO is now better than ever. The cooler's height has also been lowered, which makes it work better with a wider range of cases. They have also made the universal brackets better. The new Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO V2 has you covered when it comes to performance, compatibility, and how easy it is to set up. Because each of the 4 copper heat pipes is at a different angle, the RAM clearance has gone up to 100%. The innovative SickleFlow 120 fan maximizes airflow and static pressure, making this cooler perfect for people who care more about performance or silence. It also has updated universal brackets that make it easier to set up. See DarkRock Pro 4 CPU Cooler. The DarkRock Pro 4 is a great way to keep cool because it has a TDP of 250 watts and runs almost silently. This is perfect for overclocked computers and workstations with a lot of power. These Wings PWM fans have sophisticated fluid dynamic bearings and 6-pole motors that run quietly. The Silent Wings 3 fan's forward funnel frame ensures a very high level of at full fan speed. The system's 7 high-performance copper heat pipes make only 24.3 dB of noise. RAM compatibility is improved by using cooling fins shaped like waves to let the most heat escape and by cutting the fins that let airflow through. The best heat transfer happens because of a special coating made of black ceramic particles. It lets you put in a 120mm fan and comes with mounting clips to make it easy to put together. The setup for all black, this beautiful kit has a diamond-cut finish on the top cover, made of brushed aluminum. This cover comes with a 3-year warranty from the company that made it. It works with Intel Square ILM processors 1700, 1200, 2066, 1150, 1151, 1155, 2011, 1-3, and 2066. Noctua NHD15 Premium CPU Cooler. The NHD15 is the top model from Noctua. It is an elite-class twin-tower cooler made for the most demanding situations. It is based on the iconic NHD14 and continues Noctua's pursuit of maximum silent cooling performance. It improves the NHD14's impressive efficiency with a larger heat pipe architecture and 2 high-quality NFA15 140mm fans with PWM capability for variable speed operation. With Noctua's NTH1 thermal compound and the Trident TrueCU 2 multi-socket mounting technology, the NHD15 is a premium option for both overclockers and quiet enthusiasts. The NHD15 is compatible with the vast majority of high-end RAM modules on the market due to its recessed bottom fins, which allow for 64mm of space for tall memory heatsinks in single fan mode. Standard height RAM is recommended for use with the NHD15 in twin fan mode up to 32mm. If your chassis has more than 165 mm of space for the CPU cooler, you may raise the front fan to accommodate memory modules taller than 32 mm. The much-praised NTH1 from Noctua is a tried-and-true professional quality TIM solution that is perfect for use in industrial server and workstation settings because it has minimal thermal resistance, is very easy to use, and is very reliable. Corsair ICUE H100i RGB Pro XT is a liquid CPU cooler. The Corsair ICUE H100i RGB Pro XT is a liquid CPU cooler with a 240mm radiator and two Corsair ML120 PWM fans. It is made to run quietly and cool the CPU very well. A PWM signal can adjust the fan speeds from 400 to 2400 RPM. The pump head of the H100i RGB Pro XT has 16 independently programmable RGB LEDs that can be controlled by the Corsair ICUE software. These LEDs can create a wide range of lighting effects, change fan speeds, and turn on 0 RPM mode to reduce noise at low temperatures. The H100i RGB Pro XT looks great and runs ice-cold thanks to its thermally optimized cold plate, low-noise pump design, and universal compatibility with the industry's leading CPU sockets. The number of cubic feet per minute of air the fan moves is 75 in this cooler. This was all from our side to guide you about the 5 best CPU coolers that you can buy. If you like this video or this video helped you, please give this video a like. Links to all the product mentioned are in description box down below. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to receive update on our latest video.